Namaste students. खुश रहो बेटिया. I, JVN, Dr. Chandrakala, Assistant Professor, Jyoti Vidyapeeth, Women's University, Jaipur. In today's session, we are going to discuss about the classification of the horticulture plants. So, the general classification of plant involves three common systems. That is mainly the classification based on the seasonal growing cycle, classification based on the kinds of systems, or classification based on the stem growth. But the plant can be namely seasonal growth cycle. It may be plants are like annual, biennial, perennial. Okay, like annual plants, zinnia, cosmos, uh, petunia. Biennial like carrot, onion, sugar beet. Perennial like woody plants. Okay. So when we see in general classification, diversity in living things exists in nature, and uh, the orderly groups of the plants based on their resemblance in the resemblance, and we call it as classification. So there are horticulture plants are classified into different groups, that is natural classification, scientific classification. The natural classification based on the use of the plant subsequently in the name of same plant varies with different culture of the world according to their use. Okay. Scientifically, the modern system of classification of the living organism proposed by the R.H. Whitaker in 1969, which all the living organisms have been classified into five kingdoms: Monera, Protista, Plantia, Fungi, and Animalia. So, Protista are the Monera are all prokaryotes, Protista unicellular eukaryote, Plantia multicellular, and Chlorophyllous eukaryotes. Fungi are the multicellular and non-chlorophyllous eukaryotes, and Animalia is the multicellular and ingestive eukaryote. Okay. So the plant kingdom which horticultural plant belongs further classified into two subkingdoms, that is Phanerogam, that is flower and seed bearing plant, and Cryptogam, non-flowering and non-seed bearing plant. So a horticulture plant can be classified on kingdom to a variety based on the resemblance of the character. Okay. So classification based on the life cycle also, like annual, biennial, perennial. Classification based on the shedding, uh, like evergreen plant, deciduous plant. So evergreen plants are the plants, those plants which maintain their green leaves throughout the year and shed their leaves and senescence, like for example citrus, mango, jackfruits, papaya, coconut, banana. And deciduous plants are those plants which shed all their leaves once in a year. And the shedding of the leaf may be take place either in dry season or cold season. For example, bear and oil shades their leaves in the dry season, apple, pears, peach in cold season. Okay. So the classification based on climatic requirements, like the plant species cannot grow flower and fruits at all the places because of the climate change from place to place. The climate change, particularly the temperature, is most important factor here, affecting the growth and productivity of the horticulture plant. Okay, based on the climatic requirement of the horticulture, crops are classified into three classes: temperate crops, tropical crops, and subtropical crops. Temperate crops are the horticulture crops flourish well in temperate region. Okay? These crops can withstand with cold and need chilling temperatures. They undergo and rest or dormancy and shed their leaves during the winter. Example, apple, pears, walnut, almond, cherry, strawberry, pearl, plum, peaches, etc. Tropical crops, these are the need warm and humid climates with very mild winter. Okay. So the plant cannot withstand with cold and can get frost injury if exposed to the low temperature. For example, pineapple, banana, papaya, coconut, cocoa, sapota. So subtropical crops, these plants require the warm and humid climate and can tolerate low temperature during mild winter. For example, mango, lychee, citrus, grapes, pomegranate, avocado. So next we see the classification based on the seasons. So horticulture crops can be classified based on the seasons in which they grow best. That is Kharif crop, Rabi crop and Zaid crop. Kharif crop, these horticulture crops are sown on the onset of the monsoon in June to July and become ready to harvest in the rainy season. Example, bindi, snake gourd, pumpkin, sponge gourd, chili. Rabi crops are the crops sown on the onset of the winter, that is October to November. For example, potato, cabbage, cauliflower, tomato, radish, pea. Zaid crops are sown in February to March. For example, brinjal, bitter gourds, melon, muskmelon, pumpkin, etc. So classification based on the stems. So herbs, shrubs, and trees. Classification when we see based on the forms of stems like erect, creeper, climber. Okay. So classification based on the use like edible part, fruit part, vegetable or spices, how it is used actually. Ornamental plant, uh, the plant cultivated for beautification or aesthetic value are called the ornamental plant here. Okay. So medicinal and aromatic plants, tree fruits, the fruit borne on tree and called as tree fruits for mango, apple, pears. Small fruits, the fruits which are bushes or termed as small fruits, for example, raspberry, canberry, strawberry, or nuts are covered with hard shells and inner, uh, for example, like cashew nut, walnut, hazelnut. Thank you. This session is powered by 2.0 Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University, Jaipur. If you have any queries, please write down in the comment box. I will resolve it in the problem solving session.